Are you wondering which ad network is better, Ezoic or Mediavine? You're not alone. Many content creators face this choice. In today's video, we'll compare these two popular ad platforms. Both Ezoic and Mediavine help website owners make money through ads. They offer tools to optimize ad placements and increase revenue. First, let's look at Ezoic. This platform uses artificial intelligence to test different ad layouts. It aims to find the best setup for your site. Ezoic also provides detailed analytics so you can see how your ads are performing. It's great for those who love data and want to maximize earnings. Now, let's talk about MediaWin. This network focuses on high quality ads and works well for lifestyle and food blogs. MediaWin requires a minimum of 50,000 monthly sessions. Once you're in, they offer great support and resources to help you grow. It's a favorite for many bloggers who want a more hands on approach. So, what are the main differences? Ezoic is more flexible and works for any site size. Mediavine, on the other hand, has stricter requirements but offers higher quality ads. When it comes to features, Ezoic shines with its AI tools and extensive reporting. Mediavine stands out for its user friendly interface and strong community support. As for pricing, Ezoic is free to join, but they take a percentage of your earnings. Mediavine pays based on ad performance, but you need to meet their traffic requirement first. In the end, if you are starting out or have a smaller site, Ezoic might be the way to go. If you have a larger audience and want premium ads, consider Mediavine. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.